If you want to know the best way to make money through TikTok as an affiliate marketer, then you're watching the perfect video. In this step-by-step tutorial, I'm going to take you through exactly how you can start making money as an affiliate. The best thing about this method is that it's completely free, and you don't even have to be an expert to know how to do it. So let's just jump straight into it. Step 1. Sign up for Too Short. So to help us earn money, we're going to be using this amazing tool called Too Short. Too Short is a powerful tool that helps YouTube creators extract short clips from your longer videos and transform them into engaging shorts that drive views and subscribers. I honestly think Too Short is a game changer because you can easily extract the best moments from YouTube videos and turn them into high-performing shorts. These shorts give viewers a taste of the content and act as a teaser to make them want to subscribe to the YouTuber's channel. And these shorts also help maximize reach. Shorter videos are more likely to be watched and shared on platforms like YouTube, Instagram, and TikTok, which means that the video has a higher chance of reaching a wider audience. More views and shares equal more exposure for your channel, leading to more subscribers and growth. Too Short saves you so much valuable editing time and also frees you to do other things that you actually love. You can just let the AI handle the task of extracting the best moments from the videos. So now that you know what Too Short is, let's get you all signed up. It's super quick and easy, trust me. All you need to do is type tooshort.ai into your browser. Once you're on the page, you'll see a blue Sign In button. Click on that, which will take you to the page where you need to sign up. I love that you can just sign in with your Google account because it literally takes just a second and then you're taken to the Too Short homepage, ready to dive into all the amazing features it has to offer. Step 2. Search for a relationship podcast on YouTube to paste into Too Short. Now that you've signed up for your Too Short account, get ready to create some incredible short videos that will supercharge your social media presence and drive traffic to your website. And let me tell you, it couldn't be easier. First things first, head on over to YouTube and find a video you want to repurpose. Let's say you've chosen a relationship podcast as an example. Once you've found the video, just highlight the URL in your browser and copy it. Now come back to your Too Short dashboard and just paste the link to your relationship podcast video into the box on the screen. Then Too Short will automatically start generating the YouTube shorts for you. Once it's done, you'll see a bunch of different options on the screen, which are the different sections of the video, and you can also see the duration of the clip underneath. Once you've chosen the part of the clip that you want, click on the little blue arrow to edit and export the clip. Once you're done editing the clip, just click on the blue export button in the top right corner, and just like that, with a few clicks, you've transformed a long YouTube video into an exciting short-form masterpiece that's ready to be put all over social media. Step 3. Share your videos on TikTok. Now that you've created your awesome short-form videos using Too Short, it's time to show them to the world. And I think that the perfect platform for sharing your creations is none other than TikTok. Let me tell you, TikTok has taken the world by storm. It's a vibrant community where millions of people come together every day to explore new content, connect with others, and let their creative juices flow. Whether you're all about promoting your brand, building a loyal following, or simply having a blast, TikTok has got you covered. First things first, if you haven't already, you'll need to create a TikTok account. It's super easy and will only take you a few minutes. Once you've got your account all set up, it's time to start sharing your videos. To post a video on TikTok, just open up the app and tap on that plus sign at the bottom of your screen. This will bring up your camera, giving you the option to either record a new video or choose one from your camera roll. Take your pick and hit next. Now here's where the fun really begins. On the next screen, you can add music, filters, and other cool effects to make your video even more captivating and enjoyable. You can also include catchy captions and relevant hashtags to help people discover your fantastic content. Oh, and don't forget to spice it up with an attention-grabbing caption and some hashtags to expand your reach. Once you're happy with your creation, it's time to share it with your followers. Tap on that post button and watch your masterpiece go live. The best thing about TikTok is that gaining a following is within your reach, especially if you stay consistent and produce top-notch content. Make sure to post regularly and interact with your followers by responding to comments and messages. Collaborating with other creators is also a fantastic way to reach a wider audience and attract more followers to your TikTok kingdom. Step 4. Monetize your content. As your TikTok following grows, it's time to take the opportunity and start monetizing your account with the help of Too Short. Trust me, the earning potential on this platform is massive, and there are loads of different avenues you can explore, like brand deals, affiliate marketing, and sponsorships. When it comes to affiliate marketing, one of my favorite platforms is ClickBank. It's a popular hub where product creators connect with affiliates like you who promote their products in exchange for a commission. Let me tell you, the possibilities are endless. To kickstart your affiliate marketing journey, all you need to do is sign up for a ClickBank account. Once again, it's a super quick process that will have you up and running in just a few minutes. Once you've got your account ready, it's time to dive into the exciting world of product promotion. One of the things I absolutely love about ClickBank is just how many different products are available across a wide range of niches. Whether you're passionate about health and wellness, personal development, or the latest technology trends, you'll find a whole bunch of products that match your interest and expertise. To find the perfect products to promote, just log into your ClickBank account and use the search bar to enter keywords related to your niche. Plus, you can use the handy filters to narrow down your search and find products that align with your specific preferences. Want to focus on high commission rates, popular products with a high gravity score, or maybe those with a hefty average sale amount? You've got the power to choose. Once you've discovered an exciting product to promote through ClickBank, it's time to take action and get that unique affiliate link. To get your hands on the affiliate link, simply click on the Promote button. Now, when it comes to promoting the product, you've got a few different options. One way is to add the affiliate link to your TikTok bio, where your followers can find it and explore the product themselves. Another way is to include the link in the captions of your videos, creating a nice and convenient way for your audience to discover and engage with the product. So, let's just say that someone from your amazing TikTok community clicks on your affiliate link and decides to buy the product that you're promoting. That's when the commission kicks in. The commission rate varies depending on the product, but let me tell you that it can range anywhere from a cool 10% to a whopping 75% or even more. So, to maximize your earnings, it's super important to promote products that you actually believe in and that you think will bring value to your audience's lives. Show your followers that you actually care about them and their needs by promoting high-quality products. Remember, the more people that end up buying the product you're promoting, the more money you're gonna make in commissions, and if you promote a good product, the people are gonna come back for more. So, that's it for today's video. I hope you found the information helpful and inspiring. If you enjoyed the video and found value in it, please don't forget to hit that like button, and if you haven't already, please subscribe to our channel for more exciting content like this. See you next time!